We'll guide you through how to upload your music to Spotify for free. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
This is one of the easiest way to get your songs out to global audience. First, it's important to understand that you can upload your music directly to Spotify yourself. Instead, you need something called a music distributor. A distributor acts as a middleman that takes your music and delivers it to platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and more. Some distributors charge money, but there are a few free options available. One of the most popular distributor is Fresh Tunes. So the first step is to open up your any favorite browser and in the search bar just search for Fresh Tunes and hit enter. Just click on official website and you can choose to accept or reject the cookies. Just go ahead and sign up for account if you already don't have one. And I don't have a Fresh Tune account, so I'll just click on sign up. And also make sure to sign in with new version of FT and log in with your login and password. And after logging in, you will be taken to your dashboard, which is where you will manage your music releases. Now, before you upload anything, let's quickly go over what we need to prepare. If your file is currently in MP3, you can just go to Chrome and search for MP3 to WAV converter free and convert it using the tools. And once in the dashboard, just click on new release and you will land in this interface. Now, before we upload anything, let's go over what we need to prepare. First, you need a final song file, your cover network, your cover artwork, and your track information. Your song should be in WAV format for the best quality. And you can start by typing your release name and the title language by just clicking on a drop down. You can select your genre from here and you also have option for previously released. If you have previously released, just click on yes, and if not, just click on no. And you can even add your copyright and you can even add UPC, which is a unique code, and it is assigned free of charge after review. And if you already have a UPC, just enter it here and upload your artwork here and just follow this information and make sure everything is correct. After that, just click on continue and drag and drop your audio files, or you can just click on the plus icon and upload your file from here. And after that, just click on continue and you will see delivery options. For distribution platform, just click on the drop down and make sure to select Spotify. Scroll down and find Spotify and just toggle it on and click on save. And you can even choose the countries. I suggest leaving it at all, and you can have your release date. You can toggle it on as soon as possible or exact date. If you want or exact days, just toggle this on and enter your date here. And after that, just click on continue and you will be in the review. And in the review tab, you will see the errors and you will even see where the error has appeared, and just go there and fix the errors, and in the review tab you will be able to upload it. This is very important. Go through all of your information correctly and make sure everything is correct. Your title, art name, artwork and track details. Even small mistakes can cause your release to be rejected or delayed. And once everything looks good, you can click on send for review. And as I have not uploaded any files, I will not get the option for send for review, but if you have, you will get that option. And at this point, your music will be reviewed by the distributor. This process can take anywhere from few days to a couple of weeks. They check your audio quality, metadata, and your artwork to make sure everything meets the platform guideline. And after your song is approved, and it will be sent to Spotify and eventually go live on your artist profile. And once it's live, people around the world can stream your music and you can even start revenue based on the number of play your song gets.